Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here today at the Floor Gallery to understand more about the eco flooring solutions. Now, TFG has been around since 2014, and their vision is to be a leading one-stop eco flooring solutions provider based on the highest standards. Now, TFG's tagline is actually "Every step matters." So we're here right now at the showroom, and I'm going to turn on my pedometer and check how many steps I'm going to clock while learning about TFG's products. TFG is a trusted supplier and installer of the highest quality eco timber flooring, laminate flooring, vinyl flooring, and outdoor decking. And they have the awards and certificates to back them up. When we think of vinyl flooring, we think of this long strip timber look-alike flooring, and that's conventionally how we kind of look at vinyl flooring. But here at TFG, they have something cool, which is this range of EPRF vinyl flooring, which is essentially something like vinyl flooring, but they have it in tile form. And if you can look closely, you can see this concrete industrial look. So if you're looking for something as hardy as a vinyl flooring and yet give you this concrete industrial look, you can come explore it at TFG. Now, if you want something natural and still go green, you can try the Floor Gallery Savannah Engineered Wood Flooring. So what is engineered wood flooring? An engineered wood floor is constructed of layers of both hardwood and plywood, where solid hardwood is a solid piece of wood with no layers. So the top surface is your natural hardwood and the core is actually plywood. This way, you still get the beauty of the natural wood and conserve the trees. Also, as the core base is plywood, it is not susceptible to warping and bowing. The Savannah range from TFG is 100% eco-friendly, made from eco-renewable materials. The glue they use is also water-based. As such, no VOC and no formaldehyde. 100% safe for your kids and your loved ones. So TFG also carries wood composite outdoor decking. In case you don't know, in the past we used to use chengai, merbau, even yellow balau to do all our decking. And those kind of natural wood are very prone to bleaching from the sun as well as warping. When we do wood composite, they are actually a whole lot more hardy, they don't warp, and the most important thing is that you don't need maintenance, they don't bleach. So another word for vinyl flooring is actually high resilient flooring. It's called high resilient, not for nothing. In front of me right now is actually an area where you can actually abuse and stress test the resilience of these floorings. Now that you've seen the stress test based on their testing protocols, let us abuse them with our UnboxID torture box. UnboxID torture box. Exclusively for UnboxID as well as TFG followers, TFG has come up with a promo code for a limited period of time so you can have substantial savings for your eco flooring.不对，再来 ，NG 都要对为止，要正中央。啊，不。